Have you started? Yeah, welcome to Chief Ben's Designs bag making tutorial. This morning we are going to teach you how to make bag, school bag, something like this. But let me start afresh. The measurement is 18. This is 18 here. That is the length. It's 18. The width is 14. So that is how it is. Then I'm going to create pockets, outside pockets. So in terms of creating the outside pocket, you will create it with this material now that you have cut. So that is what I'm going to show you, how you can mark the outside pockets, how you are going to mark them. So let's start. You first of all, depending how many outside pocket you want. Then, but this one I'm going to create like 2 outside pockets. So I'm going to give them like 2 inches. You mark from the top 2 inches here. From where you marked 2 inches, you marked another 2 inches. Where the 2 inches start, you from there you mark another 2 inches. This 1, 2, that is 2 steps now. So by the other side, you are going to mark like 1.5 inches. 1.5 inch. Then by the other side, you still mark 1.5 inch. Then down you mark 1 inch. By the other side again you mark 1 inch. Then you still mark 1 inch again from the place that you mark 1 inch. Where the 1 inch is stop, you mark another 1 inch. Then same thing applied here at the top. You still mark the way you marked before. 1.5 inch, 1.5 inch. So now we are going to join it.
And I asked him, why should I submit the document? That he wants to check whether the paper are genuine.
We mark 2 inches again by the right and left side to enable you get the accurate marking. This is the first marking. This is another marking. There's the pockets now. That is what we are trying to create. After I finished marking them, then I give it shape.
From 1999 to say reach 2007, he acquired 11 plots of land for Abuja. Some day for Abuja village.
So now I cannot just cut it like this. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to curve it, create a curve for them. So for the first one now, I'm going to create a curve like this.
And then by the Minister of FCT will be Nasir El-Rufai, His Excellency then. So then him come demolish, but due to he had his allocation papers from AMAC, he took the matter to the Senate, and there was a ruling, I would say,
I've curved this shape now. That is what I'm going to use to curve this side again. And for me to curve it like that, I'm going to get a small line here at the middle. So look at me now. So as I'm cutting now.
Okay, thank you, Adina. Okay, good morning, Lisa.
Good morning, Auntie Marian.
Good morning, Daddy.
Good morning, Nigeria. Good morning, all Berekete family.
Daddy, please raise your cap a little bit so that. Oh, thank you, Daddy. Thank you, sir.
You stop at the middle. You now fold it.
This is one.
Your name, Daddy?
My name is Chief Augustus Obodi. I am here to present my case in respect of my properties demolished in the year 2025. 2005, my former minister, Nasiru.
The reason why I'm doing it like this is because I want to get the same shape. I don't want the shape to be different. This side will be different. The other one will be different again. It will make the bag shapeless. The bag will not look fine when I finish sewing it. So this now for the first outside pocket. So the second one now, that's what I'm going to. That's what I'm doing now.
So it happened that in the year 2005, a demolition came up, and all my buildings were
Then you stop at that middle now.
What I did was to took my case during the public hearing in the year 2008 to the Senate. Because there was a public hearing on the Senate investigated the activities of FCTA listing. So they were accommodating, that is the cases. If you have anything, you can and explain to them. I was at the sitting and I was aired. Then I told them these are what happened to my building. So when their report came out, I have their report. They said all the buildings that have authentic papers and the building plans that they should be compensated, and they should be compensated and they replaced if the government wants to use the very, but if they don't want to, they should be reinstated.
So this is the second outside pocket. And the final, the main body. Now let me just give it shape again.
The family who have been helping all the helpless. So that is what I'm doing.
Okay, Daddy. You said you reported the matter to the Senate.
Yes, in year 2008, during public hearing, which I was there.
Okay. Do you know the size of your land, sir?
This is a mechanic shops. That is both warehouses and this one. So they did not specify.
They didn't specify. All right. Okay. Mr. Pamela.
Yes.
I think we should reach out to Madam Jane, all right?
So what I'm going to do next now is to start putting zip. I put zip here as well. So as I'm doing, I'll be showing us. Thank you.
So, Daddy, was it